Today, we are in western Poland at a photovoltaic farm built by one of the largest Polish developers, R.Power, a company successfully expanding its projects across Poland and around the world. This is one of nearly 50 megawatts of joint projects where R.Power has chosen GoodWe HT series inverters, including models with power ranges of 225 and 250 kilowatts. These inverters are paired with 575 watts photovoltaic modules and GoodWe's intelligent communication modules, the SCU3000. These SCU3000 devices optimize data collection, enable streamlined system management, and provide centralized monitoring for the photovoltaic systems. The HT series inverters are specifically designed for utility-scale applications. GoodWe's portfolio also includes higher power model inverters, such as 320 to 350 kilowatts, and containerized transformer stations ranging from 3.5 to 9 megavolt amperes, ensuring scalable solutions for the renewable energy sector.
The decision to choose GoodWe inverters comes from our extensive and varied experiences and unwavering and deep trust in their products. GoodWe offers highly efficient devices that ensure stable operation of the installation. An important factor is also the quick access to spare parts in Poland, which minimizes the time needed for any repairs or servicing. In addition, GoodWe actively supports us at every stage of the project, from technical consulting through installation to the commissioning of the system.